told you, the vision of this organization is to see elderly people live in happy and with pride, and those who are actually in non-profitable ashramas, old age homes, and Mr. Kumar is.
ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్ గతంలో 9 చేశారు. స్ప్రెడ్ మెసేజెస్, ఇది 10ది. మొదటిది మార్గదర్శి స్కూల్లో చేశారు, 10ది ఇక్కడ ఈ మార్గదర్శి స్కూల్లో చేస్తున్నారు.
Actually, this program is also very much associated with the curriculum of our school also, because our school emphasizes very much about ethical values. So, and it's a part and parcel of ourselves, and we should take care of our elders, especially the grandparents.
The mode of organization is most important. You please try to help your grandparents, and at the same time to others also. I hope you will know it from our area. You please spread this message to you and to your relatives and to your friends, so that this motto, the aim of organization, will be fulfilled.
If they are in old age homes, the children cannot know ethical values, and they don't know about the relationships. So I request all my friends, please treat our grandparents well and be happy.
Chandrakumar sir is helping for old people. This old people, if old people with us, our grandparents are there with us, we can live happily. Thank you.
My name is Vashita from 8th standard. Today I am going to say about grandparents, and we should take him as our inspiration. Thank you.
Very good.